Well, Bobby, what do you think
What?
about my little patch of heaven?
Well, let's get things going.
What things?
Well, you gotta get it all checked out. Gotta order the appliances for the furnace, the water heater, get that one bedroom cleaned out, that dirty carpet out of here. Gotta get some bleach and wash the tubs and all that shit.
No, we're replacing the bathrooms. Remember?
Gotta get these windows cleaned.
Is it as bad as you thought?
I don't know what kind of diseases it's in here. I'm gonna have to send Maureen over.
She don't care, so she won't even call me back. She's country hating me. Okay, so admit it.
What?
Nice little patch of heaven.